All right, everybody, I wanted to show you how to download the reading notes outline. So, you can click on it like this, and it should download there. You will hit Enable Editing, and you should be able to type on the document. Some individuals were saying they were having difficulty doing that. I think if you click on the ellipse here and download original file, again, it'll go there. And I'm able to type on it, so I would assume that you would be able to as well. Now, maybe it's because I'm the owner of the document, but I think I've just signed into Microsoft, and I've just downloaded a file that I can then manipulate. If you're having trouble doing that, maybe because you're on Word Online, maybe you should save a copy of it, and you would have to download a copy and save it, but save it somewhere, like to your desktop. I would save this to my desktop, and then I would be able to access it that way. So that should help you out in being able to figure out how to write on that.